Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to make the most of matte preview for our presentation. Whether we're studying or working, we always want to impress people with our presentation. And one of the best ways is to make a clean and clear layout by using some graphics or icons to represent our idea. But most of the time, it is really difficult for us to find an icon with transparent background and without watermark. But in reality, these are really easy to overcome by using the preview function in our MacBook. Most of the people use it to read books or documents, but not many of them knows about how we can use it for presentation. Let's take this icon as an example. As you can see, it has a white background and watermark here, which is not really good when we want to put it in a presentation. So firstly, we're going to click the markup tool on top and remove the background by using a tool called Instant Alpha. So simply just drag the unwanted part and click delete. And now you can see the white background is already gone. So we're going to do the same for this part as well. Drag the unwanted part until it is red and click delete. And secondly, we can still see the watermark here. So we can click the adjust color, which is the triangle icon, and increase its exposure and then decrease its contrast. This gives you a white icon which is suitable for most of the presentation. And if you want a black icon, simply just drag the exposure and contrast to the other side. On the other hand, sometimes we want to select a color of the image and match it with our presentation. And actually we can do it with the preview function as well. So I'm gonna take another image as an example. So we're gonna click the markup toolbar again and either click the border color or the fill color, which brings you to a list of color, and we have to click show colors in the bottom. And then we can click the eyedropper here and select any color that we want. This allows you to get the unique color code and applies to any elements of our presentation, including fonts and background and so on, which makes your presentation more consistent with the color and the theme. So thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you want to learn more about different professional softwares, follow my Facebook and Instagram link down below, and I'll see you next time.